Hello, welcome to today's video. In this video we will discuss health benefits of rosemary herb and rosemary tea. Let's get started. Rosemary has a long history of culinary and aromatic uses, in addition to applications in traditional herbal and Ayurvedic medicine. The rosemary bush is native to South America and the Mediterranean region. It's part of the Lamiaceae family of plants, along with mint, oregano, lemon balm, and basil. Many people enjoy rosemary tea for its flavor, aroma, and health benefits. May help lower your blood sugar. When left untreated, high blood sugar can damage your eyes, heart, kidneys, and nervous system. Therefore, it's critical that people who have diabetes properly manage their blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that compounds in rosemary tea may lower blood sugar, suggesting that rosemary could have potential applications for managing high blood sugar among people with diabetes. May improve your mood and memory. Experiencing stress and anxiety from time to time is common. One study found that taking 500 milligrams of oral rosemary twice daily for 1 month significantly lowered anxiety levels and improved memory and sleep quality among college students compared with a placebo. In fact, simply smelling rosemary appears to be beneficial. One study in 20 healthy young adults observed that inhaling rosemary aroma for 10 minutes before a mental test improved concentration, performance, and mood. Inhaling rosemary oil stimulated brain activity and improved mood. Participants' activity level, blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing rate increased after inhaling the oil. Rosemary extract may improve mood by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria and reducing inflammation in the hippocampus, the part of your brain associated with emotions, learning, and memories. May support brain health. Rosemary tea may protect the health of your brain by preventing the death of brain cells. Rosemary may even support recovery from conditions that can lead to brain damage, such as a stroke. Rosemary may prevent the negative effects of brain aging, even suggesting a protective effect against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. May protect vision and eye health. Rosemary extract to other oral treatments can slow the progression of age-related eye diseases. Rosmarinic acid in rosemary delays the onset of cataracts, the gradual opaqueness of the eye that leads to blindness, and reduces the severity of cataracts. Rosemary and eye health have used concentrated extracts, making it difficult to determine what effect rosemary tea may have, as well as how much you would need to drink to reap these benefits. Promote liver health. Rosemary can work to improve liver function and improve headaches associated with excessive eating or drinking. Hair growth. Rosemary tea can also be used to wash hair. It helps to strengthen hair strands, reduce oily scalp and reduce dandruff. It also helps to promote hair growth as it improves circulation to the scalp. Helps in gradual weight loss. The phytochemical components of this tea inhibit the activity of lipase, an enzyme that breaks fats down to generate lipids. Since lipase is inactive, there is no breakdown of fats. You will feel fuller and will not binge and pile on extra pounds. Relieves inflammation and pain. The herb has antinociceptive properties and can heal aching joints, inflammation, and painful allergic reactions. Rosemary tea acts by improving blood circulation, reducing inflammation, and eliminating free radicals or chemical stress to relieve cramps or neuralgic pain. Other potential benefits. Rosemary extract reduces the risk of heart failure following a heart attack. Rosemary extract is sometimes used to treat indigestion. Rosemary is thought to support digestion by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria and reducing inflammation. Possible side effects. Rosemary tea is considered to be very safe, however drinking it in large quantities can result in nausea and vomiting. Essential oils should not be applied directly to the skin as it can cause dermal irritation. It should be avoided on open wounds. Rosemary oil can also trigger seizures in people with epilepsy. People who take medication for high blood pressure should use rosemary with caution, as rosemary tea can cause a drop in blood pressure. Those who take diuretics should also be careful, as rosemary can also cause electrolyte imbalances. Rosemary tea should not be consumed by pregnant or breastfeeding women or by children under the age of 5. People with liver disease should also avoid drinking this tea, as it can trigger the release of bilirubin, which can worsen the disease and any symptoms. Rosemary can also interact with medications like anticoagulants, diuretics, lithium and antihypertensives. Therefore, if you are taking any of these medications, you should consult your doctor before drinking rosemary tea. It is hard to believe that a wild herb growing in your backyard can do such wonders for you, isn't it? Wouldn't you want to make the magic potion all by yourself and get a taste of its abilities? Recipe. Not sure what to do with the fresh rosemary you have on hand? Tea is the perfect use. Here's how to make rosemary tea. 1. Boil a pot of water. 2. Add 2 sprigs of fresh rosemary. 3. Fill up a mug with the boiling water. Allow to stand for 5 minutes. 4. Add a hint of honey or agave and squeeze lemon juice from 1 wedge lemon. This step is required to get the best flavor, otherwise the rosemary is too overpowering. That wraps up the video. I hope you really liked the video. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching the video.